Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to log out of Gmail account on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Gmail account on your phone, first open up your Gmail app, and after opening your Gmail app guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's your profile picture available for us, or your profile logo at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture or your profile logo at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of menu will appear where all of the logged in accounts on your Gmail app will be available over here. Scroll down on this menu and you can find the manage accounts on this device option available for us. Tap on the manage accounts on this device option and you land on this interface. Again, you will be required to tap on the Google option over here. Tap on the Google option over here, and on this interface guys, all of your logged in accounts, all of your logged in Gmail accounts on your phone will be over here. Now in order to log out of a particular account on your phone, open the account or tap on the account from which you want to log out on your phone. And on this interface guys, again at the top right corner of the screen there's a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and you can see there is the remove account button available for us. Tap on the remove account button over here and this kind of pop-up box will appear where you will be required to tap on the remove account over here, and then your account will be removed from your phone, which other means you will be logged out of your Gmail on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to log out of your Gmail app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.